everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Olivia and I make videos about anthropology every single Sunday. And this video is a little bit of a fun one because I get asked all the time how I stay connected with anthropology after graduating college. And I think I needed some time to think about it and reflect on it before sharing any opinions or suggestions or experiences with you guys. But I think I was finally ready to dive into how exactly I stay connected with my major after graduating college. So without further ado, let's just talk about it. Now, the first thing that I have on this list is something really simple, and I promise everybody can do, and that is reading. Something I really love to do with my free time is just spend a little bit of time on Google searching anthropology, anthropology news, anthropology research articles. This could be in Google Scholar as well, and just seeing what's new in anthropology. And I think it's something that people don't really like to take the time to do because it feels like, I don't know, it feels like a big to-do, but it's really, really easy to just type in anthropology and see what comes up. I have found myself in some really interesting wormholes and have read quite a few really interesting anthropology books just because I randomly found them on Google, and now I feel like I'm still learning things after graduating college. I think it's really common when people do graduate college to stop learning new things. You know, you kind of learn what's necessary for your job and then end it there. But what you can do is just go online and do a little Googling and read the news and see what's going on with anthropology. That's something that I've been doing, and I hope you consider doing it too. As a little side note too, I actually recently went to my favorite used bookstore in San Diego, and I've been there so many times before, and it turns out they have an anthropology and archaeology section in this bookstore, and somehow I've never noticed it before. My mom was like, and there was an entire anthropology book section. So guys, anthropology books are around. You just got to keep your eyes open for them. Now, the next way that I stay connected to anthropology after graduating is my YouTube channel. Like I said before, this does not apply to everybody. I make anthropology YouTube videos every single Sunday because I think anthropology is really interesting and there are not enough resources online for students. And so for me, I find it really fun to think of a new anthropology topic or idea to tackle that I can share with people online and hopefully help at least somebody out there. But in regards to how this could help you or a way that you could stay connected with anthropology, I would highly recommend also spending some time on YouTube and looking up anthropology YouTube videos. There's a lot of different ways that anthropology takes shape online. And what you can do is look up college anthropology YouTube channels. You can look up anthropology podcasts. Professors and anthropologists do a lot of interviews on YouTube that are they'll only have a few hundred views. You just have to put in the time to look for them. And the things that you can find are really, really interesting. I just watched a 2-minute video recently on the American Anthropological Association on their website where they went to this mall and randomly asked people what is anthropology, and 2 people got it right. And I was so entertained. It was ridiculous. So just spend some time looking for videos about anthropology. I have a bunch on my channel, but there's amazing other channels, on YouTube that you can look to. The next thing that I've been doing to stay connected with anthropology after graduating college is trying to stay in touch with anthropology students who are still in college. Now, when I was an undergraduate at UCLA, I actually was the principal investigator on my own anthropology study, and I happened to bite off a little bit more than I could chew. So that study is actually still running at UCLA, and so I try to keep in touch with the people who are running that project, try to stay connected with what's going on, and that's been really nice for me because I still feel like I have a little foot in, I don't know, in research, even though I'm technically not working on it. I'm just getting updates. And then I also like to reach out to people who are in the year below me who are still studying anthropology at UCLA and seeing what's going on with the professors, with the department, because it's not like they don't want you back. Like, you can check in with your university and see what's going on in the anthropology department. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So yeah, that is another thing that I've been doing. Now, the final thing that I have on this list in regards to how I do, stay engaged with anthropology after graduating is actually my job. Now, I'd love to talk about this more extensively in another video, but I still wanted to touch on it in this video. So I actually work for an e-learning company. They have a YouTube channel called Socratica. I will link it down below. They're amazing. And I was really, really fortunate to find bosses who were really intrigued and interested in the fact that I was an anthropology major. And so within my job, I get different research opportunities. I do a lot of education research. And it's really fun because you guys know me. And the research that I draw on is anthropological. So a lot of the things that I get to work on in this company are anthropologically biased. I will always go to anthropology research first because I think it's really reliable and offers a really unique perspective. So yeah, I definitely do get to use anthropology in my job, and I think that's really lucky. I'm really lucky to get to do that. And again, I'd love to talk about that more deeply in another video that I'm definitely planning on doing. I haven't fully prepared it yet. So yeah, those are the ways that I'm currently staying connected with anthropology after graduating college. I want this to be a part 1 of 2 or 3 series, because there's definitely other things that I'm doing and other things that you guys could do too to stay engaged with anthropology. But I just wanted to get the ball rolling this week and just tell you all the big ones, the things that I've been up to. So yeah. Next week, I'm trying to get up a video about linguistic anthropology jobs. So for all of you linguistic anthro people who have been asking for me to do linguistic anthropology, it's coming. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. And I hope this video was helpful for at least one of you. And yeah, all right, I'll see you all next week. Bye, you guys.